In our next video in the series Tools for Product Managers, Project Managers and Product Owners, we have Inline Manual. This is an onboard user onboarding tool. It guides your users with interactive tools, tips and tutorials to reach their goals and get results. So we have a product here. So you've got a slide here, the actual cost goes up, and effectively you can onboard new users through in-app walkthroughs, announce new features, collect feedback and NPS. So this is quite good because when a new user comes on board, they may not be understand that something has changed. Whether there are new features, you can have walkthroughs of how a particular user journey should work. You can have redirects, in-app help widgets, tooltips and hotspots, branching, onboarding checklist, knowledge-based articles, so if somebody's really stuck, actions and conditions, audience targeting and personalization, feedback forms, triggers, and analytics, and it's all down to how many active users you have at any one time. So please like, comment and share this video. If you could also follow or subscribe to my channel, that would be great, and I expect to do a demonstration of this product at some particular time in the future. So thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.